Hi guys, welcome back. In our previous videos, we have discussed how we can create the table in H2 database by using data.sql files. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can create a connection object in JDBC. So first, let me create few packages. So this is our base package. So copy it and create another package, new package com.example.jdbc.bean. And in this package I am going to create a class, new class, db connection is the name of this class. So here as we know, for connecting any database we need to perform few steps. So what are those steps? First steps is register the driver class and then create connection. So we need to register the driver class first. And what is the driver class? So this is the driver class name and this is the URL for our database. This is the username and password. So both all these properties I want to access in this db connection.java file to create a JDBC connection. So how we can access the properties in our Java class? So let me first create few variable here, string driver class and string URL, after that username, and after that password. So these are the four variable I have created, and now I want to map these variable with these properties. So here I am using add value annotation. To perform the mapping. Okay, in this way we can perform the mapping here. And this is the data source dot URL. No, I need this property driver class name. Okay, and copy this property string dot data source dot URL and use here. And third property is username, so copy it, username, and paste it here and the last property is string dot data source dot password. Copy it and paste here. Okay, so here we have mapped all the 4 properties with these variables. So now here I am going to create a method public. The return type is connection data java.sql. Import this connection class and then, sorry, why it is showing error. Okay, public connection get connection and add a return statement here. So this is the connection interface, and we will return an object of the connection interface implementation class. And after that, what is the next step? Next step is just load the driver class. So we have how we can load the driver class. We have one class dot for name method. And pass this variable here. What? Okay, we need to put the try and catch class not found exception. I'm going to use exception class here for catching all type of exception. So we have loaded the driver class, and then we need to call driver manager dot get connection, and in this get connection method we need to pass 3 variable: URL, username and password, and it will return a object of connection type. Okay, it is returning a connection type object, and we need to return this. Okay, so here it is saying we need to define the variable just outside the try block, or we can define here also. Okay, so here we are creating a connection object and returning it. So whenever we want the connection object, we just need to call this method and it will provide a connection object. Here for our reference we can print the connection. Okay, so in this way we can get the connection object. That's all for this video, and the rest of the things in the next video I will discuss about the how we can fetch data by using JDBC. Thank you for watching.